My name is Austin Nilsson. I'm a structural engineer, subject matter expert with the Inland Navigation Design Center. We're replacing the existing gates at the Black Rock Lock because they've reached their fatigue life. Essentially, as you bend a paperclip, think of the paperclip eventually breaking after you bend it so many times, and that's why we're replacing the gates. The existing miter gates are horizontally framed, meaning the primary load carrying members are horizontal girders, transferring the load to lock walls. The new gates are vertically framed, meaning the primary load carrying members are vertical and transfer the load into the sill and then into a large top girder that then transfers the load into the wall. The new miter gates are designed for 100-year fatigue life, so ideally they will not get replaced for the next 100 years.